Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove header from all pages in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to remove the header from all pages. At first, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see here they added the header. Now we want to remove this. Go back home menu, select the insert option, choose the header and footer option. Now we can see here the header text. You want to remove this, click inside the text, then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then delete this. Press backspace on our keyboard, otherwise press delete. Then select your sheet, go to the view menu and make it normal. Then go back again the file menu and click the print option and check the preview. We can see we remove the header from all pages in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.